Happy morning children. Welcome to Maths class. In this class we are going to see one new topic. See here children, what is this? Yes, chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yes. If you want to get this chocolate means what we have to do children? If you want to get this chocolate means what we have to do? We go to shop and then yes, we have to pay money. If we have to pay money only means we can get this chocolate. The same way is pen, pencil, etc. Now we are going to see the topic money. The keywords are coin, currency. Coin, currency. Coin, C-O-I-N, coin, currency, C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency, coin, currency. The symbol is rupees. The symbol says as rupees. If we write 10 means this is number. If we put the symbol and write 10 means rupees 10. Rupees 10. This symbol is the. See here children, what is this? 100 rupee currency note. This is the symbol. See that symbol. 100 rupee currency note. Rupee symbol. In this note, how many times number 100 comes children? Shall we count how many times number 100 come in this currency note? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times? 8 times. See here children. What is this? These are coins. And what is this? These are currency notes. Now we are going to see what are the coins are here and what are the currency notes are here. Children, see here, these are coins and these are currency notes. This values. See here, this is 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. And this is 1 rupee currency note. 1 rupee currency note. This is 1 rupee coin. And this is 1 rupee currency note. Next, 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee currency note and value is rupees 1. This is the symbol for rupees. This is the symbol for rupees. 1 rupee coin. See here children, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee currency note and rupees 1 value. Next, this is 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. See here children, 2 rupee coin. Value rupee 2. Values rupee 2. And this is 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee currency note. 5 rupee currency note. See here children, 5 rupee currency note. And rupees 5. Value rupees 5. See here children, 1 rupee coin, front side, back side. 1 rupee currency note. Front side, back side. 2 rupee coin, front side, back side. 5 rupee coin, front, back. 5 rupee currency note, front side, back side. Next, see here children, what is this? 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. And this one, 10 rupee currency note, 10 rupee currency note. And the value rupee 10, rupees 10, and the value rupees 10. 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee currency note, and the value rupees 10. Next, no coin for 20 rupee. No coin for 20 rupee. Only currency note. See here children, this is 20 rupee currency note. Front side and back side. This is 20 rupee currency note. Rupee 20, rupees 20, value rupees 20. 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee currency note, rupees 10 value. And no coin for 20 rupees. This is currency note for 20 rupees. Value rupees 20. See here children. Next, this is 100 rupee currency note. 100 rupee currency note. Front side and back side. This is 100 rupee currency note. And this one is 200 rupee currency note. 200 rupee currency note. Front side and back side. This is 500 rupee currency note. Front side and back side. See here children. Children, now we are going to find rupees 10 in different ways. Rupees 10 in different ways. Children, first we are going to use 1 rupee coins to get rupees 10 in different ways. First we are going to use this 1 rupee coins to get rupees 10. How many 1 rupee coins we have to use to get rupee 10? Shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 1 rupee coins. 10 1 rupee coins equal to 10 rupee. See here children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 1 rupee coins are here. So the value is 10 rupee. Next we are going to use 2 rupee coins to get 10 rupees. How many 2 rupee coins we have to use? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here children. in this 2 rupee coin, 2 1 rupees are here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 2 rupee coin equal to rupees 10. 5 2 rupee coins equal to rupees 10. 5 2 rupees coins is equal to rupee 10. Rupees 10. 5 2 rupees coins equal to rupees 10. 10 1 rupee coins equal to rupees 10. See here children, what is this? 5 rupee coin. 1, 2. 2 5 rupee coins are here. 5 plus 5, how many? How much? Rupees 10. 5 rupees plus 5 rupee is equal to value rupees 10. This is 10 rupee coin. 10 rupee coin. And this is 10 rupee currency note. 10 rupee currency note. See here children, these are the different ways we can to get 10 rupees. Children, now we are going to see the book exercise. Unit 3, money, keywords, coin, currency. We already learned coin, currency. See the picture children. What is this? Stationery shop. Here, what are the things? See here, what are the things are given here? Eraser, stick pens, pens, pencils, books, globe. What are the items do you see in the stationery shop? First question, what are the items do you see in the stationery shop? What are the items children? Shall we write here? First, pencil. And then books, globe, and then eraser. Next, writing pad. Okay, second question. What is your favorite item in the shop? What is your favorite item? I write here globe. Third, in order to buy your favorite item from the shop, what do you need to pay to the shopkeeper? Again I am reading. In order to buy your favorite item from the shop, what do you need to pay to the shopkeeper? What do you pay to the shopkeeper? Money. What? Money. Third one answer is money. Next, the existing coins and currency notes in India. See here children, these are the coins and currency notes. 1 rupee coin, currency note, 1 rupee currency note, value 1. 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee currency note, this one rupee 2 value. Next, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee currency note, rupee 5 value. Next, 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee currency note, rupee value 10. No coin for rupee 20. No coin for rupee 20. Currency note. 20 rupees currency note. Value rupee 20. The same valued coins and currency notes make no difference in terms of their values. The same valued coins and currency notes make no difference in terms of their values. See here children. Symbol is used for representing rupee, the Indian currency. We already told no, this is the symbol for rupees. Tick the correct coin, currency note of the objects. Tick the correct coin, currency note of the objects. What is this children? Yes, balloon. How many rupees? 1 rupee. Here we have to tick the correct coin. See here. Here they are given some coins. First, what is this? 5 rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupee. The balloon rate is rupee 1. So, here see here, where is rupee 1? Yes, we have to tick it. This is the correct answer. Next, what is this? See here children, what is this? Whistle. How many rupee? 2 rupee. How many rupee? 2 rupee. They are given first 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 2 rupee and 1 rupee. What is the correct answer here? See here. Rupee 2. This is rupee 2. We have to tick it. Next. What is this? Top. What is this? Top. Rupees 5 rupee. They are given the currency note here. First 2 they are given coins. Now they are given currency note. Rupee 5. First they are given 10 rupee currency note and then 5 rupee currency note, 2 rupee and 1 rupee. The correct answer is how much? The top is 5 rupee. Correct answer is 5. 5 rupee currency note. Next, what is this? Bubbles. Rupee 10. What is the price of bubbles children? 10 rupee. They are given 20 rupee currency note, 2 rupee currency note and 10 rupee currency note and 5 rupee. The bubbles rate is rupee 10. See here, this is the correct answer. Next, watch. Watch rupee 20. They are given coin and currency. First 5 rupee coin, 20 rupees currency note, 10 rupee coin and 10 rupee currency note. Watch rate is rupee 20. Here the currency note 20 is the correct answer. Next, last, what is this? Mouth organ. Mouth organ rupee 10. Here they are given 5 rupee currency note, 10 rupee coin, 20 rupee currency note and 5 rupee coin. The correct answer is 10 rupee coin. Next activity, trace the coin. Trace the coin. First, values. Rupee 1. We have to trace here head. They are already given tail. See here, this is 1 rupee coin head side. Now we are going to trace the coin. Children, you have to try this, okay? See here children, 1 rupee 1 head side. Next, rupee 2. We are going to trace first head side. Okay children, next we are going to trace tail side, back side. Okay children, see here, rupee 2 head side and tail side. Next, rupee 5 head side. Next, tail side. Okay children. Next, 10 in different ways. We already learned children. See here, rupee 10. 10 1 rupee coins equal to 10 rupee. And 5 2 rupee coins equal to 10 rupee. And 2 5 rupee coins equal to 10 rupee. 2 5 rupee currency note equal to rupees 10. And 1 10 rupee coin rupee 10. And 1 10 rupee currency note equal to 10. Next children, match the objects with its correct money value. Match the objects with its correct money value. See here, what's this? Yes, banana. What's this? Banana. Rupees? How many rupees? 8 rupee. Now we are going to match. First they are given 10 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Total is 14. Here 2 2 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin, 3. Next here 5 rupee coin plus 2, 7. 7 rupee coin plus 1, 8. Next 2 rupee coin plus 1, 3. 3 rupee coin plus 1, 4. 4 rupee coin plus 1, 5. This 5. Okay. Now we have to match. Banana. How much? The rate of banana is 8 rupee. See here. Here 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin plus 1. 8. Next. What is this? See here children. Where is 8? Here. 5 plus 2 plus 1. Next. Cucumber. Cucumber rate rupee 5. Cucumber rate rupee 5. See here. Where is rupee 5? 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Cucumber rate is 5. We have to match here. Next. Papaya. Papaya rate 14. Papaya rate 14. See here children. Here 14. Here 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 plus 1 14. So we have to match here. Next. What is this? Gooseberry. Gooseberry rate 3. See here. 2 plus 1 3. 2 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin 3. We have to match here. See here children. Take the required money to buy the objects. What is this? See here children. What is this? Bat. Badminton bat. And the rate is rupee 20. We have to calculate 20. Here they are given 10 rupee currency note and 1 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. The rate is 20. So we have to tick 10 plus 10. 10 rupee currency note plus 10 rupee coin. The rate is 20. The bat rate is 20. The correct answer is 10 rupee currency note and 10 rupee coin. Next, see the cock. Cock rate is rupee 12. Rupee 12. They are given 10 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. Now we are going to find 12. 10 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin, we get 12 rupee. 10 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin, we get 12 rupee. Next, ball, rupee 7. They are given 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, again 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 5 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin, we get 7. Okay children. The bad rate is 20. 10 currency note plus 10 rupee coin, we get 20. Next, badminton rate 12. 10 badminton cock rate 12. 10 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin, we get rupee 12. Ball. Ball 7 rupee. 5 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin, we get 7 rupee. Children, this is your homework. Okay, take coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee. Take on paper trace the coin. Okay children, trace it and take a snap and send it to me. This is your homework.